The first step you're going to do is make his hand by making a curve. And then from that curve, you'll go down, around, and in. From there, you're going to go back out a bit, come back in, out, in, and down. It'll look kind of odd, but that's just his arm. Next, we're going to make the ball come around like this. The ball's going to come back here and leave a space for his hand. Next, we're going to start about here and go down and out a bit like this. Next, we're going to make his head. His head's going to start from this line and go around like this. From this first line, we're going to go down a bit, come in, and then we'll make a line out. We're going to curve down just like that. His ear is going to go here, and it's just going to be rounded, and then a little squiggle for the ear. On this side, it's going to also have an ear like this. Next, we're going to make the neck. It's going to go down. The neck is going to go down on this side also. Next, we're going to draw part of the arm. Start coming down from this line and go into the neck like this. We're going to round out the neck like that. We're going to make a line that goes across like this. And then we're going to start about here and go out and in a bit. Now we're going to make some details on the arm. We have his little sweatbands, which are just two little lines. From this point on the neck, we're going to continue making a jersey by making a line down and flare out a bit. Come down like this. We're going to make a round, another time around, but a little bigger. Then come out like that. We're going to make some little marks like this, another one like that, and then one more small one, and then a line like this. On the other side, we're going to make a line going down and in, and then around and out, just like that. We're going to make little marks like this. They're just little accent marks for the jersey. And then one more curve. There we go. From this line, we'll go in like that. And then we'll kind of make it squiggle out to the side. There we go. Now we're going to make a line down, another line down, and then one more. We're going to make a squiggle right there. Starting to look like a jersey. Next, we're going to make his arm. His arm, we're going to start about here and go up a bit like this. From this angle, we're going to make a curve like that. From here, we'll make a curve in, and then come up a bit like this. And then we're going to make him go all the way up to almost the ball. From this side, we're going to make a line down. And then from that line, it's going to curve into that crease. We're going to make a curve like this, and then a curve for another armband. We're going to make his hand. His hand has 5 fingers, obviously. So go up a bit and then make one finger like this, and then another finger coming out like this. Spread another finger out a bit. For this finger, make like a bump, and then come up and around, and then another line up, and that should be about the end of the ball. From that finger, we're going to close off the hand and go down. This line will also go down into the hand like this. You can make little marks to show where his hand placement is. Let's round off the ball a bit by making a curve and then into his hand. There we go. You can round the ball a bit more. I'm using Sharpie, but it's up to you. You can use pencil, and you can always erase if you mess up. Next, we're going to make some marks on the ball. The ball has one line that's curved in the middle, and then go past his finger. Next, it has a line that goes around, in, and then up like this. Now it has a line that goes right down the middle, go past his finger like that, and then one more line that goes up in the middle and then back down. We're going to draw some muscle on him. The muscle, we're just going to draw a couple lines on the arms. One right here, and then another curve. You're welcome to draw more lines, less lines, it's up to you. Now we're going to draw the jersey. For this, we're going to start off with the 2 and the 4, 24. For the 2, start about here and make a line down, and then make it go across a bit, and then up just a little, curve down, line down, and then a big angle down, a small curve up. From that curve up, we'll draw a line, go down, go all the way across to kind of where these lines meet, go up, go inwards like this, make a curve down, and then close up the 2. We have a 2. Now let's get the 4. For the 4, we are going to start about the same height as the top of the 2, and then curve down like this. We'll go inwards a bit, come all the way like that, round out a side, go down to where the bottom of the 2 is, go across, Go up, go in a bit, up, out, up, in, all the way up to the top, and then close off the 4. And then in the middle of the 4, it's just a triangle. 24. Now we're going to draw Bryant on the jersey. Bryant is just going to be block letters. So make it kind of a rainbow pattern with a curve. It's just B, R, Y, A, N, and then T. See how I kind of slanted it with the rainbow curve? Now, just to add detail, I'm going to put boxes around each of the letters, or you can just leave it with Bryant, but I'm going to put just some boxes around it and leave those boxes white just to show like it kind of looks like a jersey. So there's one, the A, and then another one for the N, and one more for the T. There we go. Now we're going to make some details on the jersey. Start with a line. We're going to make a line here. It's just showing kind of creases when he's jumping. There's another line. One more here. I'm going to draw a line around the neck. Continue this line here and make it go all the way around to about here and go up a bit just for more detail on the jersey. I'm going to make one more line up. Here's a line here, line, and one more line. There we go. Let's color it in. There we go, we have Kobe. I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time.